Select dark color T-shirt standard, then right-click and select Copy. Click the new profile, then right-click and select Overwrite. Rename your print profile whatever you'd like. I named mine DTF Printing. Follow these settings. For print quality, select 5 and the white and color print quality will automatically adjust to the correct settings, 8 pass, and double strike print. For print direction, select unidirectional low speed. This lays paint from the print head one way instead of both. It takes longer but prints a better quality. Bidirectional is faster and works well for bulk printing and designs without a lot of detail, such as letters, names, and numbers, for example. For media profile, comment perfect color to request our color profile. This will alleviate the headache of colors not matching from the computer to your prints. With this color profile, your colors will always print as expected. Just select the profile, then proof it. Leave drying time at 0 seconds. For ink density, set color to 15. Then set white to -50. Leave white on for print. Then make sure reduce white area is on 3 and under white is turned on. A very important setting is ink order. Set ink order to reverse, collar then white. If you don't see this setting, we provided a link to the Epson website to download the reverse ink setting in the description that you can download. And there you go. Review settings, then overwrite print profile to save. Restart Garment Creator, and you're ready for perfect prints.